Well, welcome back, my little Beardo crew, and welcome to the first episode of the bolt build. As you saw before, this is my 2015 Yamaha XV950, otherwise referred to as the Bolt. Now, it is a standard option, it's not the R, although to be honest, there's not much difference from what I've read between the R and this, other than you get piggyback shocks, but again, from what I've read, they make no difference to the handling whatsoever. So what can you expect to come from the build? Well, we're going to have a look at turning it into a club style bobby. So we're going to black it out a bit more. It's already fairly black, but we're just going to do a few details on it. We're definitely going to remove this huge eyesore of a exhaust. For a stock exhaust, it doesn't sound too bad. However, that's not what a bobber is about. It's about being heard, loud, obnoxious, deep, throaty sound. So we're definitely going to get rid of that. I'm in talks at the moment with a local company called Del Kelvic. They're on eBay. They've actually got their own store across the UK and the USA, I believe. And they've got a couple of different exhaust options available. I'm going up there soon just to have a quick look at them and decide which one I want to go for. But that's probably the route we're going to go down. Alongside the exhaust, as you can see, the main header pipe has started to get a bit discoloured, so we may end up taking that off and getting that resprayed, because we definitely will be getting these exhaust guards sprayed a different colour. Not sure whether to go gloss black to match the frame, or to go sort of a matte satin finish as we've got on this guard here. I suppose it depends on the style of exhaust that I end up going for. Continuing on towards the rear, I just want to get rid of that huge, massive, great big brake light and indicators. So we're going to stay with the bullet style indicators, and we're just going to go a little bit smaller with those, probably keep them in the same space, but a lot smaller. Rear brake light, again, it's just huge, and there's no need for it really. So when we get rid of the tail tidy, I'm going to try and do the LED strip under the rear fender and get rid of that altogether. Of course, when we get rid of the tail tidy, that'll involve then having a rear mounted license plate holder, or sorry, number plate holder for the UK. So we'll be putting one of those on. We'll have to do some slight modification wise, because here in the UK we need a number plate light and a reflector. but we'll deal with that as the build comes on. Following on then to the front. So what I want to do is I want to get rid of these mirrors. I actually really like the bar end mirrors, along with some bar end indicators. That may take some fabrication though, because I mean we can't see because on the end of the grip anyway, but under that grip and within the 1-inch bars there's a bar end weight inside from what I've read. Now you can drill them out, but I figured Yamaha put them in there for a reason, and I don't really want to change the bars just yet, maybe in the future. So I'm going to have a look at drilling them and tapping them, and then the bolts that I use to put on the bar end indicators and the bar end mirrors, hopefully if I tap it I should be able to bolt directly into it so that I don't have to drill them out. But we'll see how that goes. Again, most of this stuff's going to be playing by ear as the build progresses. A few other things. If we come over to the front, so I'm definitely going to be I'm going to vinyl wrap this. I'm not a huge fan of chrome, if I'm honest. So I'm going to vinyl wrap it. I don't really fancy painting it, just in case I do end up taking it back to stock. But one of the other reasons is, I don't know if you can pick it up on the camera, but there's actually a couple of rust spots. Nothing too major, but definitely something that I need to get fixed. And then I'm going to look at wrapping the top bits of these forks anyway, just to get rid of a bit more of the chrome off there, just to follow with the style of build that I want to go with. Ultimately as well, I want to get a kind of front cowl like the Cafe Racer. They have one, funnily enough, on the C-Spec, but struggling really to find one of those. So if anybody can find one, please reach out on the comments, and I'll see if I can buy it. Just because I think it'll fit in with it's kind of the club style bobber that I want to go with. Like I said, as part of my midlife crisis, I think I kind of want to be a Jax Teller wannabe. So we'll probably end up making it a little bit more into his style of his diner that he rides in Sons of Anarchy. And then there's just a few other bits that I'll probably do as we go on. So the air filter is huge. If I can pick one up, I'll try and get a different style one. If not, we'll probably do something with this silver bit on here, black it out alongside with, like I said, the exhaust and the brace that goes across the battery cover, and that should be it really. It did come with the rear seat, but sorry I didn't film it. I got a bit, well, I couldn't wait, to be honest, and it was before I actually decided that we were going to start a channel. So I've removed that, and as you can see, it massively cleans up the rear end and makes it more of the bobber style that we're looking for. Yeah, I've only had it a short while. Really love it. I think what I'm going to do is, when I upgrade my GoPro soon, I'm going to get a mic, and we'll do, like I said, some moto vlogging. So I'll do a ride out and let you know about how it feels, what I like, and then when I put a few 100 miles on it, I'll do a bit more of an in-depth review for you, so that anybody wishing to buy one can make an educated decision. But thanks for watching, guys. Hope to see you soon in the next episode. Please don't forget to like, and subscribe. It'd massively help me out. And I'll catch you again soon. Bye.